Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own snowman best friend. Your very own snowman at home with no snow, with no coldness. How is it possible? Well, I'm about to show you. So this experiment is really cool. So all you're going to need for this one is going to be cornstarch, shaving cream, and some food coloring if you want. So I'm going to show you guys just how to make this concoction, this crazy, really insane snowman out of nothing more than these two ingredients. So, is it possible? I don't know. Let's check it out. So guys, like I said, all you're gonna need is two ingredients. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna get a cup of cornstarch and just put it in there. Whoa. I'm kind of a mess, guys, so if you guys want to be, cleaner than I can, I encourage that. So next I'm going to get shaving cream, and I'm going to fill 1 cup worth of it. Next up, I'm going to put a little bit of blue food coloring just so we can see the colors. So I'm not going to add too much. That actually might be too much. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it in all together. All right, guys, once you guys get to this type of consistency, you guys kind of want it to be like grated cheese type of thing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use our hands, and if you want to put gloves on, you can, because it might get a little bit messy. We're gonna get our hands and we're gonna mold it ourselves. Alright guys, we got our snowman made. Thank you guys so much for watching. This experiment was so much fun and it's so easy to do. The only downside is you get a little bit messy, but you can just wash that off. So, this was our finished project. We were able to make a snowman out of nothing more than cornstarch and shaving cream. And it kind of smells good too. So, if you want to do this, or if you want to check out any more science experiments, feel free to look on our YouTube channel for more content just like this. Until next time, I'll see ya. Alright guys, I was also able to make a snowball. So, you guys can do so much with this experiment. So, go ahead and try it out and let us know how it worked for you, because we want to know. We want to know that you're trying this stuff out. So guys, it's pretty cool, right? All right, I'll see you guys next time.